Hey guys, I'm Amarin Korpuli, and if my dog starts barking, I apologize. My window's open and he's outside just sitting in the middle of the yard barking at nothing. So sorry if that gets really annoying, but making a quick little update video since I don't feel so weird because I'm the only person in my house right now. I'm working on getting another MLS, still with an early ship date. I probably won't be doing aviation anymore because those jobs are no longer available, at least for the ship dates we were trying to get me. So I switched that because I didn't want to go in June, even though I don't think I still had that job. But because if you see my previous video, something happened and a job I was told I had became unavailable. But right now, the jobs that I'll find out I get this week, or if I got, or it's gonna be communications electronics, which me and my dad are hoping to get, logistics, and then there's a media option like photographer and stuff like that. So I'm looking forward to hearing more about that because I was told I should hear for sure on Tuesday, but I mean I'm already starting, I've already learned that just because you're told that doesn't mean that that's going to be the date or like the time you're going to actually get the official information. I'm just ready to be signed stuff because I'm going to be graduating in a couple months. Like, it's almost November already. It's like next week is Halloween and then that Saturday is November. And then there's December and January. And in January, I graduate. So, whew, I'm like all pumped for this. Kind of a funny thing that happened today. I'm sitting in English class, and this is my last class of the day, and it comes down to like the last 5 minutes of my class, like no joke, and I'm called down to my guidance counselor, like to the guidance office, and I'm like, okay, I already did all my senior, they interview seniors and stuff about financial aid, or do you know what you want to do so far, and when I went in there, I basically have everything figured out right now, so my counselor told me it was kind of just a no point to me being there type thing, so I got sent back to class. It didn't take as long, but I get down there and I'm ready to talk to my counselor and be like, okay, what's up now? But no, there are 3 Army recruiters down in my guidance office. Okay, 3 of them, not 1 or 2, but just 3. They all just sit there and smile at me, and they have like all their piles of stuff because they were sitting out in our commons area for lunch trying to recruit kids, and they have all my information and everything, and they're like, so we found out you're interested in joining the Army because it's this gal, okay, and it's a gal and 2 guys, and she's trying to talk to me and stuff, and then I was like, wait a second, can you repeat that? Because I wasn't sure, if she was asking if I was interested, and she's like, oh, we were told that you were interested, you filled this out online. I was like, I'm already enlisted into the Marines. And she's like, oh, you have a nice day and get back to your class. I was like, okay. And then I get back into my class and my teacher wanted to know why, because she thought I was like being signed out. And like the bell's that's ringing in like 2 minutes, and the last 2 minutes my teacher's lecturing me because her and her husband were both Air Force. So when she found out I was already enlisted, I was like, I'm already enlisted to another branch. And I was called down because the Army was trying to recruit me. She's like, oh, which branch? I was like, the Marines. And she was like, why not the Air Force? I was like, well, it was either going to be Air Force or it was going to be the Marines. And I picked the Marines over the Air Force for a whole bunch of different reasons, mostly personal reasons. That's why I picked the Marines. But like, she was just like, oh, well, I guess at least it's good that you're going for a good cause. I was like, okay. Then the bell rang and I just kind of walked out. But it was just one of those weird type of things where it was just like, that was kind of weird. Yeah. But I just wanted to share that little story. I'm going to be making a Halloween tutorial video. One of my friends from school, in case you guys didn't know, unless you're from my school or something, I do zombie makeup, like legit zombie makeup. I've done it the past 2 years at my high school, and I can make it look like I've got stuff coming off my face. I've got like weird open wounds and stuff, and I go to school like that. Well, I'm being a cupcake for Halloween this year. Yeah, I'm gonna be a cupcake, And I'm going to school like that, but one of my friends is going as a zombie. She doesn't know how to make the makeup. So I'm going to be showing how to use toilet paper and Elmer's glue and my makeup bag to make that tutorial. So in case you're interested, that video is going to be up here before Halloween. That's about all I have right now for you guys right now. I'm doing a lot better. A lot of stuff. Like, I don't have a lot of stress right now. It's really nice. So, I'm gonna go chill and eat some food because I literally just got off my bus and I came straight upstairs. I was like, I'm gonna make a video. So I made a video, and I hope you guys are watching this right now and being like, okay, this person's kind of weird, but at the same time, this person's kind of cool. Maybe you're even gonna think about, you know, watching the rest of my videos because, you know, maybe you wanna see what it's like being a Marine Corps Poolie, or just, you know, what kind of stuff I'm into, I guess. I don't know. Not all the videos on my channel are me being Marines. Or, yeah, being me being a Marine Corps Poolie, but just thought, you know, if you want to browse through my channel, you know, or if you have any requests of videos, I don't think I really make too more often anymore, but if you have any ideas, I'm not going to be doing one on the officer stuff. I had a girl ask me if I can make an officer video. I'm not going officer, so I don't know the process of that, and I'm not going to make a video on that because of that. But I'm sure that there's other videos out there, or there's other people that are doing that you can get information from. So if you want to, I'd look that up for another person, or like look up that up, not just be like, hey, you should do an officer video, because I'm not doing an officer video. Okay, all right. Now that that's cleared, all right. Talked like a mile per minute and now I can breathe. But alright, I will make another video. I'm going to make that video with the zombie stuff right after this is done uploading. So that'll be up here like sometime tonight. So, with that said, I will see you guys in my next video, whether it be a Poolie video or a zombie video. So I hope you guys are having an awesome week or whatever, and things are going great. So, bye.